Welcome to our channel. If you need to permanently delete your Pinterest business account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is completely removed. Step 1. Log into your Pinterest business account at pinterest.com using your email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Account Management in the Settings menu. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Account Changes section where account closure options are located. Step 5. Click on Delete your data and account to begin the deletion process. Step 6. Pinterest will explain what happens when you delete your account, including the permanent loss of all pins, boards, and followers. Step 7. You may need to enter your password again to verify your identity and confirm that you want to proceed. Step 8. If prompted, select a reason for deletion from the available options to help Pinterest understand why you're leaving. Step 9. Click Continue and then send email to receive a confirmation link. Check your email, click the confirmation link, and your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. After 14 days, all your data will be permanently removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.